There's only so many U's for Muse one can see before deciding that it's time to do a post on some keyboard shortcuts for scientists. These are going to be for Mac users because that's what I know. We'll go over mu, angstrom, degree symbol, as well as how you can access other symbols. I'll also show you how you can set up a Greek keyboard input so that you can quickly access the whole alpha beta soup of Greek symbols just by clicking Control Space Bar. So that's one way that you could get the mu symbol is if you just go to the Greek keyboard and then you press a lowercase m. You can also, if you wanted an alpha, press A, and if you wanted a beta, press B. You can get a delta this way as well. So if you want a lowercase delta, it's just a D. Capital delta would be a shift D. And so the Greek keyboard can be really helpful for this. But if all you need to do is put in that mu, well, now the easiest way to get to it is to just do Option M. Voila, you've got a mu. And now you're still in the English keyboard, so you don't have to switch back and forth. A couple of other easy quick shortcuts for things that you use all the time. A degree symbol. All you have to do for this is Option Shift 8. And you've got your degree symbol. If you want an angstrom symbol, maybe you're a structural biologist. Well, for this, what you want to do is you want to do Option Shift A, and voila, you've got your angstrom. If those aren't enough for you, you need to find a different character. What you can do is press Control Command Space. This will pull up your character viewer. You can even do things like favorites. It'll allow you to access emojis as well as various symbols. If you can't find what you're looking for, you can just search with it with words. Maybe you want your degree symbol this way, you can find it here. It also shows you a variety of different font variations that you can choose from. When you find things that you like, you can favorite them so you can quickly access, say, those equilibrium arrows. Okay, so that's how you can find all of these different symbols. Now let's go and show how we can set up our keyboard to quickly access those Greek symbols. To get to this, what you want to do is you need to start by going and altering the settings. So if you go and press on kind of up here where you have a flag, this is showing me my keyboard. That I'm in the US keyboard right now. And what I can do is do open keyboard preferences. I could also get to this if I just go to like my Mac system preferences. It'll show you input sources, so I have US and Greek set up. When you just have two keyboards set up, what you can do to switch between them is to just do the Control plus space. Now I've quickly gone between my Greek and my US. The way that I actually set this up was by pressing this plus button, and then it'll allow you to access a variety of different keyboards. So let's say I want to add this Dvorak, which is this, basically it's a keyboard format that's supposed to be more efficient, but it never really took off. But say I wanted to add that. Now I have three keyboards to click between. If I'd used this one last, when I did the Control Space, it would go to it. Now if I do the Control Space, it's still going to my Greek because that's what I used last. But if I were to, say, switch to that keyboard and use that, and now I want to switch back to Greek, well, if I did Control Space, it would take me back to the Dvorak because that's what I was last using. If I wanted to cycle between them all, what I could do was I could do Command Option Space, and now it will take me between them all, and I can cycle between all three of them. Or I could just come up here and do it this way. But if you just have US and Greek, then all you have to worry about is doing your Control Space, and you can quickly go back and forth between the two. If you hold down Control Space, and then you can switch like this, or if you just do Control Space and let go, it'll switch for you.